Elon Musk. A rocket to inspiration. Elon Musk, the visionary entrepreneur behind companies like Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink, is a source of inspiration for young people worldwide. His journey from a curious child in Pretoria, South Africa, to a global tech mogul is a testament to the power of hard work, determination, and innovation. Here's why Elon Musk inspires young people. Overcoming challenges. Musk faced numerous setbacks and failures throughout his life. From the early days of Zip2 and X.com to the challenges of launching rockets and producing electric cars, he persevered through adversity. His story shows that failure is a stepping stone to success. Bold vision. Musk's ambitious goals, such as colonizing Mars and revolutionizing transportation, inspire young people to dream big and think outside the box. His vision has pushed the boundaries of what is possible and sparked excitement about the future. Technological innovation. Musk's companies have been at the forefront of technological advancements. From electric vehicles to reusable rockets, his innovations have the potential to shape the world for generations to come. This inspires young people to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics (STEM). Entrepreneurial spirit. Musk's entrepreneurial journey has shown that anyone can start a successful business. His ability to identify market opportunities, assemble talented teams, and take calculated risks is a valuable lesson for young entrepreneurs. Lifelong learning. Musk is a voracious reader and learner. He constantly seeks out new knowledge and information, which has helped him stay ahead of the curve. This inspires young people to embrace lifelong learning and continuous improvement. Elon Musk's story is a powerful reminder that with hard work, dedication, and a vision for the future, anyone can achieve great things. His inspiring journey continues to motivate and inspire young people around the world.